Pasok kami sa cave.
Parang sira yung sa akin.
Look very fresh. Ayan, naglalakad na.
Ito na yung pinaka-flat niya sa apat na kuweba. Mapapansin nyo, sa susunod natin kuweba, mas malalalim pa.
Dito kami dumadaan ngayon. Ang sikip-sikip.
Sa taas,
ang bagong miyembro ng Katipunan. Punta na kami sa last cave.
siguro hindi natin kayang tumagal ng ganong katagal katulad nila. Ng ganong walang gadget sa mga panahon.
Jingle, kaya pa ba? Aba? Si effortless ah.
Kaya nga.
Kasi sorry naman. Ako yung
pantalo.
Hindi ako. umaga na.
May spotlight pala dito.
Nakalabas na nga po kami ng kuweba. Hi everyone! We just finished our lunch and now we're eating. Show there. Ano yan? Baked pork pop. And there were changes in the itinerary. We're supposed to go to Baraswin Church, but then we're alone. Yes, we will go na sa MOA. We will stay there until 3. Hi guys! Ayan, dalagang Pilipina. Ayan.
Very ugly.
Hi, so we're currently here at Star City and we're about to ride
I
the
promise
carousel.
I will be more beautiful next field
Field
trip.
trip. Yes, the carousel. Currently here na sa carousel. And look at Diva's horse. Very little. Very busy taking pictures of Jingle. Riva is very busy worrying about her horse. So we're about to riban. Kasi we will buy pasalubong. We will buy pasalubong.
Joy Marigold.
Let's video the other.
Because the vlogger
I love my life.
that
Hindi ko alam kung nasa kami. But the view is very nice. I'm about to cry. Look.
I wanna miss this part.
Hey Riva, I love you, my friend.
Love you more. Very sweet of us.
Of course. You look very pretty.
It's not that good. What is that?
The view is very nice, but the smell,
No comment.
wrong. Very wrong. Okay, right now nagpipicture sila. And we saw something.
Friends.
First is the Department of Finance and the BSP. Someday we'll work there.
Grabe siya.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to the bus.
Tell them that I'm your favorite person.
Feeler!
No. I
You feel?
not sure.
Goodbye guys.
Bye.
We will update you sa the bus. Bye. Update. Nasa KFC kami. Akala namin pupunta na kami sa bus. Di ba pala? Bye.